PureEdge lighting present the TruTrack magnetic 2-circuit recessed 24-volt DC track channel. Follow these steps to ensure a clean, secure, and professional result. Install the remote power supply within 40 feet of the junction box. Ensure power is off before starting. Follow the provided instructions and wiring diagram. Only a qualified electrician should perform the installation, adhering to local electrical codes. Install the junction box with the adjustable mounting bars and secure them to the joists. Run the 24-volt DC wires from the remote power supplies to the junction box. Cut a section of drywall to expose the junction box. Mark the ceiling area for TruTrack installation using the junction box as a guide, allowing 1 inch for end caps. Cut the marked area with a jab saw. Align and install the drywall with the junction box, marking joists and mounting straps for reference. Remove the spare cover inside the track, using one for plastering and the other for final installation. Snap a cover onto the track before cutting with a miter saw for a proper fit. L connectors join tracks at 90 degrees, conducting or isolating power. Secure mounting straps with drywall screws, and consider 2x4 braces for stability. Insert joining connectors halfway into the track and tighten M3 set screws with a 1.5 mm Allen wrench. Loosen, but do not remove, the M3 set screws on the end cap. Slide the end cap into the non-power end of the track and secure it by tightening the screws. Use straight connectors to join track sections, conducting or isolating power as needed. Refer to the TruTrack power feeds instructions for track connection. Place the assembled channel in the drywall cutout, drilling and countersinking along groove lines. Secure the TruTrack power feed to the junction box with screws. Ensure the channel is properly secured to joists and mounting straps with drywall screws, keeping screw heads flush. Strip 3/8 of an inch off the power feed connector wires. Connect circuit 1's red and black wires to the plus 24 volts direct current and minus 24 volts direct current power supply wires using lever nuts. Repeat for circuit 2's blue and brown wires. Secure connections in the junction box. Place the power feed connector in the track and tighten with a flathead screwdriver. Test circuits before plastering. Snap the cover onto the track for plastering, sanding, and painting. Apply ultra-thin drywall tape along track edges without overlapping. Use Durabond for areas with vibrations. Recommended plaster method is Durabond 45, Easy Sand 45, and a skim coat. Use a 12-inch knife for smooth spreading. Clean the channel surface with alcohol after removing excess drywall. Replace the removed track cover and finish painting the drywall. Wait 1 hour and remove the track cover and discard it. Cut and paint the new track cover to match the drywall paint. Clean the inside of the track with a cloth. Next, identify the line on the track head connector cover for circuit 1 or 2. Rotate the connector 180 degrees to select the circuit. Place track head fixtures as desired. Measure and cut track cover to length, then snap it onto the track. This wiring diagram illustrates the setup for 2 circuits, each with a maximum load of 200 watts. The power supply operates between 120 to 277 volts, alternating current. Circuit number 1 and circuit number 2 both include 0 to 10 volts wires if needed, with specific connections for positive and negative voltages. Ensure proper grounding and connections for efficient operation.